In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the built-in bulk editor. If you manage products with multiple sizes, colors, or materials, the bulk editor in your Shopify admin is a fast, reliable way to update many variant details at once. We'll walk through the exact flow so you know what to click, why it matters, and a few practical tips to keep everything clean and consistent. Start in your Shopify admin and head to Products. Open the product you want to edit. This works best for items that already have variants created, like a t-shirt with several sizes or a candle with multiple scents. Once you're in the product, scroll down to the Variants section. This is where all versions of the product are listed. Choose the variants you want to change by checking the box next to each one. If you need to update everything for this product, use the topmost checkbox to select all variants at once. Be intentional here. Selecting only what you truly want to modify helps prevent accidental changes. Next, click the Bulk Edit button. A spreadsheet-style table will open, showing your selected variants in rows and their properties in columns. You can make quick changes to fields like price, SKU, or inventory right in the cells. If you don't see the fields you need, click Columns and customize the table. Showing only the columns you plan to work with keeps your view focused and reduces mistakes. As you edit, keep consistency in mind. For pricing, double-check currency formatting and make sure similar variants follow the same price logic. For SKUs, use a naming convention that it's easy to search and report on later. For inventory, ensure the numbers match what you have on hand and consider how these changes affect stock visibility online. Typing directly into cells is usually the fastest, and you can move across the grid using your keyboard to speed things up. When your updates look good, click Save to apply them. Give Shopify a moment to process the changes, especially if you edited many variants at once. It's a good habit to skim the table after saving and confirm the values match what you intended. If you notice anything off, you can adjust and save again. That's the process from start to finish. Open your product, select the variants, enter the bulk editor, tailor your columns, make clear, consistent edits, and save. With a little practice, this becomes one of the quickest ways to keep prices, SKUs, and inventory aligned across your catalog.